Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check serial number of your Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So to do this you have to grab this charging case and take a look right here at the bottom. Let me just clean that place, and right now I'm going to zoom in also to show you how it looks. Okay, and take a look, we can catch focus right now. It's not good visible, so let me just zoom in a little bit closer. As you can see, the serial number will appear in this place. Yeah, right now it's visible, so the serial number appears right here. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.